coders, my name is Tanuj Khandal. In this video, I can tell about data types in Kotlin. As I previously described, Kotlin is a statically typed language. That means that every variable is of a particular type and one set. That type can't be changed, but Kotlin is designed to be more concise than Java. So, you have to declare a variable's type more than once in many cases. Its type can be inferred from literal value and the other expressions. Kotlin doesn't have anything like Java's primitive type. Instead, every type in Kotlin is implemented as a class that has been member function, properties, and so on. The language comes with a small numbers of built-in types, and you use this much as you do primitive types in Java. The built-in types are designed to handle numbers, booleans, and character values, strings, and even arrays. Everything else is a part of runtime library. Either Kotlin owns a standard library or the extensive set of classes that are available in Java runtime. For a numerical value, you will see these built-in types in the left column. I am showing the number of type and then in parentheses the equivalent Java primitive. So a Kotlin double is Java double, a float is a float, and so on, because these are classes. Their names start with the uppercase character, but the bit width, that is the size of the variable in memory, is exactly the same as in Java. Just as in Java, you choose the type of your value depends on the capacity and the precision that you need. There are the other built-in types. The character represents a single alphanumerical value. A boolean is either true or a false, and those are keywords. A string represents a sequence of characters, and just like in Java, it always immutable. Once set, its value can't be changed. An array are represented by Kotlin classes array. To declare a variable, as I mentioned previously, you will always start with either val or var. The val keyword means the variable is immutable. Once set, it is the value can't be changed. Var means the variable value can be changed. Next is the identifier, the variable name. Just as in Java, the coding convention is that identifiers for a variable start with the lowercase characters. Next is the type. The type follows a colon character, and then after the assignment equals operators in the initial value. Now you don't need all of this code in every statement, but either the type or the initial value is always required. If the compiler can infer the type from an initial value, then you don't have to declare the type. Or if you are declaring a variable but you not setting its initial value, then you have to declare the types. It will take some expectation to understand through the circumstances when you do and don't need to declare the types of a variable. Kotlin has a special handling for null values. At the core of its question mark operation, the question mark means that a variable can be set as null. If you declare a variable with a type and you don't put in the question mark, then it must be assigned a value. So this is called the nullable operator. And later on the course, I will show you variation on how to use the operator, avoid the dedication null point exception in some circumstances. You will find that you have explicit a set to value to a null. In other, it can be inferred. So those are the variables and declaring variables in Kotlin. Again, val means mutable, var means mutable. You don't need the keywords new when you are creating an object, and you never need the semicolon at the end of the line. Please like and subscribe our channel, The Code Early, for fast and moving channel for a software developers.